welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be showing how to do a theme on an Android device, and I was going to do a coloring tutorial, and I asked some of my friends who do have Android, and I asked them to tell me how to, do a coloring, and they all said they have personal editors that do it for them, so I unfortunately could not figure that out. So to do a coloring, I recommend maybe looking for a personal editor, or if you know how to do it, because I don't, but if you know how to do it, then you can do your coloring, but unfortunately I cannot help. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to go onto Font, and I have my video imported. I just sent this from my iPhone to this phone, and now we can begin. So you're going to tap the little pencil icon at the top, and you're going to add your text. So the font we're going to do is this like lamina font looking, I don't know how to pronounce it. So I'm going to type, hold up. Oh, we have to type in uppercase. Theme. Okay. We'll say brand new. We're going to put the size down, make it a little smaller, and I like to add a shadow because, how do you do this? Okay. Sorry, I've never done this on an Android, so I'm kind of confused right now. Done. Okay, so we put your title at the top. Then you go back onto the pencil and you click font. This time the font we do is these, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm just going to put it on the screen. And what you do, hold up, is it's like this little cloud icon. So you do that. Oops. Put it right beside. And I'm going to add a color code quickly, so I'll be right back. Okay, so you kind of want it to look like this. Then you're going to add a new text font, and you're going to do this font. Again, I don't know how to pronounce it. And you are going to do this little symbol. It's like a hanging looking thing. I'm going to change the color to white and add a shadow. I'm sorry, I don't really edit on Android, so I'm really not sure how to work this. I mean, it's basically the same, but let's see. So we're going to make the size bigger, and you're going to put that right there. There we go. And oh, actually, I'm going to take these and I'm going to move, and I'm going to move them up a little. Okay, there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a new text box. So add, and you're going to write, so your second word, so mine was brand new theme, and the font for this is going to be Better Together Demo. Done. Style, we're going to add a shadow. Okay, that's quite big. Do you want to make it, oh, that didn't do anything. So I'm going to make it quite small. Just basically just like that. Actually, we can make it a little bigger. And you can move it wherever you want to move it. That's your choice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add another text box. The font is going to be garlic salt. And what you're going to do is you're going to use these like bookmark thing like a bunch of times. It's hard to explain how to do it, but it's basically just like a capital. So capital F a bunch of times. So, it's just like capital F a bunch of times, and then you're going to go on to spacing, and you're going to push them together. Okay, then you're going to go on to, oh, why didn't that, okay. Well, it's because I messed it up. Done. Style. And you're going to add color to it. Just add one simple color. Done. Make the size. Gonna remove some. Done. That can go right there. And then you can add your date. So today's date is 05. It's, I think, the 4th. And then 21. Just in like a vertical order. And the font for this is going to be this one. Once again, do I know how to pronounce it? No, I don't. And what we're going to do is we're going to make that white, and we're going to go on to spacing, and we're going to space the letters, or the numbers actually. We're going to space them out. And I'm going to put that in the middle. Okay, actually no, I'm going to move it over a little bit. Okay, I guess that looks good. Then you're going to go onto the garlic salt font once again, and I'm just going to duplicate it to make it easier. But what you do is you put the number 7 a few times. So 7. I guess we could do 7 and 8, so just do the number 7 and 8. Style, we're going to make it white, and then click on spacing. Letter, put the spacing to 0. Let's see how big can this go. Okay, about that big, and you're going to duplicate it. Put one right underneath. It needs to be kind of like closer. Then you're going to add another text box font, and this font is going to be walkway bonus. And you're going to choose one of these. I really like the heart one, if I can find it. Yeah, this one. I like it a lot. And I'm going to add a shadow to this. I haven't been adding shadows, but that's fine. Let's see. And you just put it to the side. Just like that. Then, so instead we're going to use the font garlic salt, and you're going to add one of these squares. It looks just like that. Okay. And now we're going to add a text using this font. Don't know how to pronounce it. It's going to take. Okay, that's good enough. Because I don't know what to write. And you can add a shadow. I don't really want to add a shadow because I'm fine without it. Okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate the word theme. Nope, I don't want to remove it. And then you're going to add, and you're going to replace that word with socials. And you're going to make it smaller. Put it right underneath. Then you're going to duplicate it once again. And you're going to use the font. And you're going to add the little social media symbols. So Pinterest, and then I guess we could do YouTube. So you're obviously going to write your social medias here. And once again, we're going to use like that font. And write your socials. And then you're just going to adjust the spacing depending on the socials. We need to space it a little more. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate the byom icons, whatever, once again. And this time you're going to use the little male looking thing. And you are going to put it right over here. Hold up, I need to move the, I need to move the socials down a little more, because that's too close to the end. Male, and then on the bottom you can just write the male you want to write, so and you can just write your username. Okay, hold up. Why is this so... I'm sorry, I'm very, can't function right now. And you can obviously add symbols. Hold up, this is not centered. I'm going to make the theme centered. And I'm just going to fix this whole theme. And I'm going to add the transition fade. And I'm going to make it start at, let's do I'm going to do 40. There we go. So it looks like this if you play it from the beginning. Hold up. The fade looks kind of glitchy, but I guess it's fine. And that is the theme. I tried the best I could on an Android, and I'm not really used to it, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!